And before I get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Madison, if we have not met before, and I hope I'm going to be your ecom superhero and help your store get to $100,000 this year with videos like this. So let's dive into it. Before we get started, I probably need to explain a little bit of a backstory. You're probably wondering, how in the world did she even get started selling dog treats, let alone how did her dog sell them? Well, it all started when I made a post on my personal Instagram account. And I said that my dog, he's a 14-pound toy Australian Shepherd named Rowdy, wanted to be an Instagram influencer. And what I thought was a joke actually had people say, how do I follow Rowdy? Where's Rowdy's account? I want to follow Rowdy. And so I had to make the account and I started posting on it. And when the fun wore off, I realized it's a lot of work. And I was creating content and I was just like beating my head against the wall. Because it seemed like to get to that point where Rowdy's account was monetized was a big uphill battle. So I thought, how else can we make money? Because we can't continue to invest the amount of time in this without seeing some type of return. So I thought about it. I thought, well, what could Rowdy sell? Well, he could sell t-shirts and he could sell different things. I thought, his favorite treat. Rowdy could sell Red Barn bully slices, which he is absolutely by far his favorite treat. So I found a place where they would fulfill them, a drop shipper, and I ran my first ad. It was a photo ad of just the bag of treats, and I thought people would flock to it, but they didn't. And I instantly got discouraged and I gave up on it. It was honestly until some friends of mine really pushed me back into it that I thought, all right, if I'm going to do this again, I have to figure out a different way to do it. So I knew that video ads were the cheapest way to advertise on Facebook. So I thought, okay, what if I do a video of Rowdy? But I'm like, why would people buy from that? I thought, okay, what is the number one objection that anybody has buying dog treats? Will my dog even like them? Am I going to give them to the neighbor's dog again? Like, how many times as pet owners have we been there? I thought, all right, what if I show just how much Rowdy loves these treats? I'm like, that might work. So I did that. We made a video. We had him running towards the treats, loving them. And it helps that he's super cute too. And I thought, okay, what else can we do? Well, we can tell people that the only thing Rowdy sells is things that Rowdy approves. Once again, hammering that objection of, is my dog even going to like this? And then the third thing we did is we didn't front out and just push the sale on the customer. We simply entertained them, allowing them to watch more of our video than they would have clicked off by just seeing an ad. It seemed like it was an organic post, but obviously it wasn't. We let the sales copy and the button shop now do all the talking for us. So at this point, you're probably wondering, well, what were the results from this? So I launched this ad on a Saturday night. And by Monday morning, I had to shut it off because the drop shipper had ran out of Red Barn bully slices. So that tells you just the power of what video ads can do for your business. So when we took the objections away, we gave some people something entertaining to watch, and then came back through and retargeted them. It was a home run for Rowdy, and then has launched several other products, including his own children's book from it. So that's just one example of this strategy that I'm going to give away for free in a step-by-step swipe file. So if you want that swipe file, it shows you how to create video ads like Rowdy's ad, and they average 500,000 views, over 1,500 link clicks in a 30-day period using a $30 a day strategy. You don't have to use the $30 a day strategy. You can obviously use $10, $5, even just $1. Your results are just going to be a little different. So if you want that, then drop me a line down below and I will gladly send it over to you. Until next time,